And today video we will discuss listening, speaking, reading and writing. So first we are going to discuss listening. So today video is very important, so please watch till end. So let's start. So number 1, listening. Listening is art, and if you are a master in it, surely you are going to be a great speaker. A good listener is always a good speaker. So listen English every day, at least 20 minutes in the morning and 20 minutes in the evening. So number 2, speaking. We must talk every day in English in order to achieve fluency. So many people are afraid to speak because they are shy what other people will think if I will make mistakes. Mistakes are very common, so don't worry about mistakes. Just try to express yourself. In the beginning, everybody do mistake. And always try to make new friends who are willing to improve their English as practice with them as much as possible. Practice them as much as possible. Okay, number 3, reading is also art. It's not necessarily if we will read a lot, we will improve faster. If you read 10 pages but you can't learn something new, it's better to read 2 pages and read carefully. And do not try to remember, just try to understand. Once you understand them, you don't need to remember. Okay, last one, number 4, writing. In reading part, you read 2 pages, you have to take 8 to 12 correct grammatical sentence from those 2 pages, and you have to write down in your notebook and read them frequently. Try to remember whole sentences rather than individual words meaning, because if you knew complete sentence them, you can speak it very quickly. So these all four are connect with each other, so try to practice on all four.